Natapos nga ang pagrespeto at paghingi ng paumanhin ni Direk Paulo Valenciano para sa 18 fans dahil sa nais niyang pag-collab or manifestation niya na collaboration between SB19 and BINI ay nanindigan ang 18 na talagang ayaw nilang maganap ang nasabi nga pong collaboration. Mula sa kanilang mga komento, ilan po ang ating pinili na mga reason ng 18 kung bakit talagang ayaw nila bukod sa may mga nasasabing hindi magaganda ang fans ng 18 na Bloom. Ayaw din naman sa Bloom, may mga nais din naman na Bloom na ayaw makipag-collab sa SB19. But anyway, narito po ang ilang reason. Napakaganda nga ng naging pahayag ng isang 18. Aniya, hypothetically speaking, if matuloy yan, it will be used by outside factors. The race to sold out the seats to have an upper hand will be crazy and might shut down the online network. This will only happen the day fans reconciled and respect each other, so there will be a positive aura. Sponsors would grab such opportunity. The artists would not mind, but at this point in time, not possible yet. You can't blame 18 for saying no based on experience. How would you divide the seating placement? Would you like to be seated with the most oppressive ones? Someday, maybe when fans outgrows their negative fanatic tendencies. 18 are patient and won't start anything. Pero tao lang will never know. We don't want a brawl associated with SB19 concert. The press and SOCMED would feast on it. Say pa ng isa, we would rather have it with the Bullets or other girl group. Kaya naman, narito ang suggestions nila kay Direk Paulo Valenciano. Instead daw na BINI, why not the G22 or kaya naman ay ang The Juans? Kung ito daw ay talagang susuportahan nila. G22 kaya or Phoenix, I agree. Say naman ng isa, collab with The Juans, much better. Anyway, ayon nga sa social media, sabi nga nila, bad publicity and good publicity is still publicity. Pero publicity nga lang ba ang importante sa bawat kasikatan? Hindi ba pwedeng maging masikat o hindi ba pwedeng sumikat ng may magandang reputasyon? Well, para sa mga fans, napakaganda na kapag ang inyong hinahangaan ay isang mabuting huwaran na inyo din namang natututunan at ina-apply sa inyong sarili. Well, anong masasay niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.